you just don't care. If you love to bass, if you love Monkey Bass.
Let me hear you say.
Oh yeah! The Make It Challenge. I always dream to make a unicorn cake, but my mommy says we can make one. Round one. Rule number one, don't play for the oven. Rule number two, don't ask a girl to put you in the microwave. And rule number three, don't play with frosting or put it in the oven. Round two. Today I'm making a unicorn cake. Mix it up with a mix it up. It looks like ice cream because I'm going to use it. No, I'm not. It's just cake batter. But maybe I'll get it to the one. Can you see what? Can you see the back? Last. Now Mommy has to put it in the oven. I'm sad because I can't put the cake batter in the oven because Mommy's not so great. Professor, stop saying to use the stove or the oven or the microwave. Ask a doll to help you. Always be safe. Okay, we need to put it to the refrigerator and add the finishing touches. I'll do mine to the end of the video, so we're on to the next round. Down. This is my unit cupcake. It takes a lot of time, but I made it so beautiful. Friends, I'm Morgan, and I welcome to Morgan Makes. And you like baking, let me know in the comments.